traders, thank you for stopping by lightenuptrading.com. What we are seeing here is a chart of gold on a 133 tick. The date is February 7th, 2012, and I've just got trades, 24 hours worth of trades from 12 to 12. These trades again are as per our rules, so I will be marking anything that is strictly based on rules and also trying to show you some divergence and that sort of thing. So I'm going to zoom in here a little bit farther. Okay, this we have the purple RSI down here under the 10s, and the green RSI came back into play, and we have a blue bar right here, so that is an entry signal right in there. It went outside the Keltner channel. The next trade, we did have one more pullback here in the morning and went outside the Keltner channel again, and our green RSI came back in here. I want you to note also the divergence here going on. The other heads up is this divergence right there. Okay, so I'm going to pull this back down. We'll go to the next trade. Now if we're looking for a pullback for higher highs, what we're looking for is we're going to ignore this purple RSI and we're going to go with the green RSI coming across the 10s. And then as soon as we do that, if we can get outside the Keltner channel and get a signal bar, which we do right here, that would be an entry. Also come over here. This is a little tricky. It could have easily been a more drawn out A, B, C pattern. This one's a little more drawn out, so but again, this officially would be an entry. Not much of a pullback though. It would be an entry, so I am going to mark that as well. I'm going to mark all the bad trades as well, so that you have a good idea of the number of trades that might be scratch trades or losing trades, that sort of thing. Our next trade is right in here. We've got a yellow starting. We had two entries here. Don't forget, we do have divergence here on these prices, so that's a good thing. And also right here, if you happen to miss this trade here, it came back here. In fact, it probably came back against you a little bit. Against you, wouldn't have stopped you out. But this also is another entry signal right in here. Okay, because we have same prices across here, and we have divergence. We also have divergence between these two. Okay, go to the next trades. No other trades in here. Certainly price didn't even hardly cross over the center line of the Keltner channel. Would have been nice to maybe have gotten something out in here, but we did have a very strong market, so we don't have any entries in here during this long run up. This is the next entry. We've got a pullback in here into the 10s, and I marked this twice because the first time did not, you couldn't hardly see the signal. So this is the exact bar right here. Didn't get much. There's one more pullback. So it's always a good idea, when we're coming in here, especially after a long run up, to maybe wait it out on time scale a little more and wait for some kind of divergence. Here we have what you're looking for right there. So when we get a lower low, this was the signal you wanted to take right in here as well. So sometimes after a strong run up like we had back here, you want to kind of wait for the market to draw itself out. Okay, here's the other signal here, pullback trade, green on the 10s. There is one signal right in there I should mark as well. We had the greens down here in the 10s. So again, sometimes when you're expecting a little more time for the market to settle back down, this is a perfect shakeout trade. You've got lows building across here. They're trying to show you that, oh, the market's getting support, and this will probably be an ABC pattern. And if you look at the difference between this low, and all of a sudden you have a huge straight move down that's more than this distance to here and this one to here. This is a shakeout move. Okay, also, so there you go, that's the end of the day. No reason to make this video too long. So let's go and look what we have here. So I let you guys decide if you feel these are good entries per our rules and per our indicators. If you don't completely understand the rules, go to our gold section and watch the first video labeled Start Here for rules and guidelines. That'll help you a little more. So let's go through here real quick again. Time to count the trade. So was a strong market up. It's almost a market you didn't want to get out of, certainly. So we have 1, 2, could have been a stop out, but as I said, you should have entered again if you got stopped out. It would be a third trade. That one might have been stop out or scratch. 4 good trades, that's probably a stop out. Good trade, good trade, good trade. Not bad. Somewhere around 80% good trades. Thanks again to all our subscribers, and please consider joining on, and we hope we can help you.